What are we doing, Spencer?
We're putting a muff on the truck. Muff delete.
Muff, it's not, it's a straight pipe.
We're putting a straight pipe on Clifford. Diamondite, 4-inch.
Wheel delete.
Got
Alternator
that.
delete. Yeah, that's the one with the bend in it.
Got this sweet axle dump there, because dumps are where it's at.
Yeah.
Should be hot rodded. Ready to roll.
Is that how you got it as a dump? That's not an actual tailpipe?
I bought it as a dumper.
Titties.
And I got the 6-incher back there on the tailgate. We got that 6-incher. She's hot. Should work. Be pretty dope. Just gotta cut her off. Hey! Close the door, Michael. Fuck, kill my batteries.
Michael's gonna start working on it.
Oh no, that's a Spencer's deal.
Gonna cut it off. Get the saws off. Ever seen this? Look at this. Probably in the corner of some other videos.
There's old junker over there.
66. Got, what is it, a 400 in it? 390? 390. And it's a stick shift. 4-speed on the floor. It's pretty cool. It runs like shit because Spencer always breaks everything. It smokes really bad and it never
smoke. It just burns oil.
It burns oil really bad and blows the dipstick out and stuff.
You guys ready?
About to cut some shit.
We're about to cut this factory shit off.
Cut it. Cut it!
She's gonna be good.
We gotta start it up. Open turbo when you're done.
All right. Absolutely. Looks like a good spot.
Get the.
She's jerky, boys.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we've ever used one of them. There it goes.
Woo, got that one. Shit. She's rough.
It's maybe because you're using that big blade, you can't put the foot of the saw up against the thing. Yeah.
All right, where should we make the next cut?
Just cut it right in front of the muffler, probably.
All right, don't let it hit me because it ain't hanging right.
Hey, does that got hangers on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The clamps are the hangers on that.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna cut right here, but this might fall on me.
No, it's got a hanger right in front
It's
of
not
it.
in the hanger.
Is that?
No.
Oh, no, it ain't. It might.
Hold your knee up.
Yeah.
Got her, boys.
All right, fire it up.
No. Yeah, open turbo. I want to take the dump pipe off and then fire it up.
Straight out of the turbo.
Yeah. I bet you it sounds real whistly if you do that.
So what, we got 2 hangers?
Need
Yeah, I need my pry bar.
Get in the pry bar. I'm getting it. Damn, Phil, turn the lights on. Can't see. There they are.
You don't know Chelsea?
Is Chelsea the one that's like, come here over here, boy?
I'm gonna fuck your dick hole.
Yeah, that.
Man, fuck your ticket, I'll fuck
She's
you
got
up.
that fucking
That
Eva
one.
shirt
You baby dick son of a bitch. Spencer's over here pry barring. You getting that shit or what?
No, I can't really pry on anything.
Yeah.
Here, she's coming.
That's not a fantasy I would never like to do.
You're a fan of chips and queso, right?
Thank you.
Yeah!
All right.
Nice. Represent
That looks good, sir.
What do you need me to do?
Just make sure it doesn't fucking
I haven't
smash
seen her
my
in
nuts
videos.
too bad. Take that
really?
fucking rubber off.
Give me that pry bar.
Can you hang on to
here
this?
and a friend's
And I'll go under there and
Or Michael hold it, yeah.
Come on, girl.
It's going, Daddy. You need to spit on it. Spit on it.
Silicone spray.
Oh, she's going. Oh, yeah.
She's gonna smack me in the head.
Oh, yeah.
The thing is, I can't hold myself on this dumbass creeper.
Get off of it. Look at he's fogging up his safety glasses.
It's getting legit, boys.
He's got ultimate power stance right now.
Yeah.
Go. She put her head through there, didn't she?
It was poking. She was poking through.
Get some WD, Zachary.
WD cam. I'm gonna get it.
Get the WD.
WD cam.
The backside. You sprayed on my eyes, you fuck.
Put your glasses back on.
They're fogging up.
Gave him the money shot.
Money shot. Oh, it came through too, boys.
She's moist now.
Oh.
All right, let's see if I can hang on to something here.
Ready to kick it from out here?
I think I'm pulling down on it.
Yeah. It's gonna go now when you do that.
Put your foot behind this creeper. Come off there. Boy.
It's got one of those. The rubber's got that metal sleeve in it.
You sure?
Yeah. There it goes. Oh, you threw it on my toe.
Fuck your toe. No, Gus.
Gonna have to go out Michael's way.
I'm not mobile.
It ain't hot out here anymore, or cold.
There you go. Twist it. Turn it over. There you go. What? Hold on, Sarah.
Pick up, and then I can get over. She's out.
Give me that tip, Daddy. At least this truck's so big you don't have to jack it up or nothing. There it is. It's about to do a startup, cold start on the Doof with no muff. Start it up.
Are you boys ready?
We're ready. It sounds exactly the same.
Just a little what?
It sounds exactly the same. That's it? You're not gonna get the turbo whistling?
That's it.
You can't see Dick, fellas.
You ain't gonna be able to see back here.
He's way back in there deep getting that clamp off the turbo.
I'm glad you boys are here for that high quality.
I bet you are.
Oh, it went on. Look at that. Nice.
Gotta have the little guys in here for the job.
So we're taking the
Downpiper off.
downpipe off the tree bow. You should have put a wicked wheel in while you were here.
Because we're gonna put this 4-incher on there after I fall.
It goes in from the top, right?
Bogging
deep!
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother.
We put a
God,
wicked
wheels
wheel
are
on
big.
this. You're putting a compressor housing on it too.
Got it off. It's off. Got it. It's off. We got it. There it is. Look at it. So now the easy part, putting all brand new pieces back on. The clamp was stuck on there. These two were fucking with it for 30 minutes. They
Like
were
10
making it like it was
minutes,
the end of the world, and I stuck a pry bar in there and popped it right off.
That's my first day.
Spencer's first day.
Out here with a Chevy with an F-150
That's
floor matted.
That's out of his Super Duty.
Yeah, but it's in your Chevy.
Yeah.
Trying to keep your bed high quality.
Oh, it's look at this.
with
fuck.
Ford parts.
So the downpipe's off. Let's look at that tree bow. Gotta climb up the ladder to get under the hood of this thing. There's the tree bow. Where's that pry bar?
I don't know.
Oh, give me
On
that
the ground.
ratchet then. Right there. That's the back, like, exhaust housing on the turbo. That's where the clamp was stuck to. It was stuck on there, like rusted to that ring on there that the V-band sits on. So everything's off. Now we just get to put all brand new parts back on. So they got to
There it is.
feed the downpipe up through the bottom and line it up so it's at the right angle and tighten that clamp, and that part's on. And then the rest of it's just slip fitting the rest of it. And then we'll one of that mid pipe there, that straight one that's long.
That
one has to get cut to make it fit a regular cab, because that's for all like the longest version of the truck's like 4-door long bed or whatever, and this isn't, so he has to cut that one. Now you gotta make sure I got a good angle and shit, Spencer. You wanna trade with me?
It don't fit, boys.
Oh, I made you get a 4-inch, not a 5. You'd never be able to get it up there.
It's tight already, I can see that.
What is that in there?
Push.
Like that. It's leaking on yours, it's all the way back there. Man, fuck that. Sell that motherfucker.
Exactly.
Spencer doesn't play Tetris. Push it! You got it! Push it!
I'm not getting under the frame down here.
Do we put it in through up here?
I doubt you're gonna get the snake around it.
I'm just kidding. What's it hitting on down there?
Just ask me and I'll tell you everything. If I could get it over that little cross pipe back there, I could get it to turn, but it won't come under the frame.
You're super close.
I know, but it's coming up like this on the frame.
Just finger fucking around down there. You want one of us to try it and see what we can do?
Yeah, we can go down here and take a look.
Let me try it, Spencer. Roll out of there.
I don't want to fucking bend it into the flame yet.
Of course you do. That's how you get it in there.
Try to get it in there. I don't know exhausted. You won't be able to hear it. The creeper just broke.
Fucking fat bastard.
What the fuck? This thing leaks?
It's probably WD-40.
No, it's fucking fuel.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's what it looks like. I was gonna say it looks really thin.
I didn't spray it off.
All right, let's see. Let's try it this way.
All the way.
So close.
How's that working out? I'm trying it, Jesus.
I know it's man. Like the motor needs to stop and go up.
What's it stuck on now? The back
Firewall.
Of
There you go.
the head. Now I gotta get it
Twisted.
Going around.
spun around. Hold on.
Yeah, don't spin around.
It'll go.
Boom.
Hold on. Not all the way yet.
It's very close.
There
There
it
you
is.
go. Look at Zach, man. Coming in clutch.
There it is.
Yeah, Zach, why don't you put that in there the first time?
Wow.
What do you want, Michael?
Boy, it's gonna either hit the transmission or the firewall, though.
Is this thing recording?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it is. Y'all might want to get some napkins. It's going to be good.
It's gonna be juicy.
You're gonna be wet.
Oh, it's going to be nice and moist.
What happens if you let it go? Yeah, just leave it there for a minute. Can you get an extension and a fucking impact? Because I'm not using hand tools anymore.
Hell yeah.
This is the 21st century. Where did he go? He went in the house. Garage is over there.
Yeah, he keeps his impact inside because he doesn't want to wear his batteries out.
I need a swivel too, Chief.
I don't get those.
Oh, yes, you do.
See, if you guys weren't here, this would have been a headache.
Dude, you'd have been
You wouldn't have had it off.
throwing a fit.
This is not a high quality.
Dad, how the fuck do I get this clamp off?
Got to look at it right.
Just look at it.
6 eyes are better than one. Just like that 6-incher, boys.
That's it there.
Okay,
What?
it's smashed into the starter. The bell housing of the
Can
starter.
you move it around?
No, he's tightening it now. It needs to be like that. I mean, maybe I guess if it rests on the thing, it doesn't matter because it's all going to move as one.
Well, I mean, I can,
Can you put it where when you tighten it, can it keep it like that?
like that.
Yeah,
You want me to tighten it anymore?
try it. There you go. That's good.
Professional. How do you get these rubbers off?
Same way you took them off the exhaust.
Well, give me that WD while I'm down here. That wasn't bad. The worst part was getting the fucking downpipe on and off.
This pipe makes your hands dirty. There it is. Look at it. It's not on yet. We got to clamp it together, but that's what it looks like. Oh yeah. Nope. There you go. That looks better. Lining the tip up. Got to make sure that pipe with the kink in it is pointed the right way too. But if the way
do, Zachary.
Oh, okay. What are you doing then? Putting just that clamp on there? And then you got a clamp to clamp it together too? Let's look at it. Get on the ground here.
Where? There the U-clamps there?
There's the tip. This one is in the back. Tip, double clamp action because one's got a hanger. And then it goes up. Tighten the shit out of these clamp. clamp because that's that short piece we had to cut. And then the angle is right. Coming up, clamp, downpipe. It's very close. It almost hits the starter like housing thingy. And then it's like you can just barely see light through the exhaust fire. It's really, really close. That's why Michael told him to get a 4-inch and not a 5-inch. Because if you use a 5-inch exhaust, it's like extra tight in there, and you gotta clearance the firewall and shit's what it says. Let's get out from and look at it. What? Oh, that's bright.
Nah, son, I'm getting the Cummins.
And if you're standing like, I don't know, normal height, you can't see that exhaust hanging down at all. You can't see any of the clamps.
You get it all, Michael? Is that everything?
Yeah, started
And
up.
then come on, here's the tip.
Let it warm up.
Yeah, you gotta clean the exhaust tip off.
Go ahead.
WD-40 on that.
And you can just see it. Spencer likes more of a discreet look. He doesn't need this big fucking dingle ball hanging down so you can see it like he's driving a Cummins or something.
Boys ready to start this beast up?
Ready.
Gotta make sure
Put your thing down there. So
Give her
it
some
catches
fire. We're gonna stand back here and we're gonna get a whiff.
Alright, go time, boys.
Fire it up, Daddy.
It might run.
Listen to that. Give her some revs, Michael. You can hear that tree bow. See if we can hear it. See if it's droning. I can hear the turbo now. Used to be able to not hear the turbo on this thing at all. Way louder, yeah. Now you can hear it. You can hear it a lot more. Man, these tires are loud though. You can hear the turbo a lot more. It up, but the turbo's a lot louder. I hope the camera can pick that up. That old Dodge is kind of
I know, I need that.
difference. Dodge, but I mean it's neat because it's old. You like it?
Oh yeah. Makes them fucking turbine noises.
Yep, exhaust looks good.
Just got her installed.
Fucking
Nice,
A.
right and tight.
Yep, everything, the clamp is still good. They're nice. So what do you think, Michael?
I like it.
I like it too. I think it's good.
Together pretty good.
Sounds pretty good. They've got that big tip. 6 inches of tip. It's gonna be tits. I like it. It's good.
Oh, fuck.
It's fucking. Oh, is that the neighbor? Fuck,
Shit.
the neighbor's coming. Oh, fuck. Oh, can't miss him. Can't run away. Hey, boys! What are you looking at under there?
What's going on, Tudor?
What you guys looking at?
Well, it's got an exhaust on it.
Oh yeah, boys. She looks good.
It's 4 inches with a 6-inch tip.
Oh shit, I like a 6-incher.
Yeah?
They look good. Oh, mm-hmm. Yeah,
Put dip spit in Spencer's driveway?
yeah, I don't know.
He's gonna be mad.
It happens, you know. She looks good. Ooh, tasty. Yeah, all right. Let's hear what she sounds like.
Oh, you wanna hear it there?
Yeah, man, I'd like to hear this thing. Hold on, I want to get a look at this good tip.
Get your face down there by it.
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh.
Hey, y'all, watch this. He's fixing to start this thing. Here we go. You ready? Oh, yeah!
pretty good. I could hear it.
I like turbos.
Zach, we need to find a way to get him the fuck out.
Yeah, how do we get him out of here? He's so annoying.
Woo, yeah, boy.
What are you gonna do tonight, Cougar?
I'm not sure. What are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna go get something to eat.
Oh, I think I might watch American Idol.
American Idol. Is that your
Oh yeah,
favorite
she's
show?
good.
You watch it with your mom?
Yeah, sometimes I'll watch it.
Who's your favorite singer?
I don't know, some homie guy on there. He's pretty good.
At home? She let you out of the house, or
What? Nah,
You
I
escaped?
don't know. I just got on the hog and went for a
got on the
spin
hog?
down the road.
Call that a hog. What's it got on it? A Honda?
I'm not sure. Let's take a look at her. I just got her a little while ago. I put it together
Oh yeah.
right on the back of my pickup truck.
Yeah. On
Yeah.
the side of the highway.
No, I didn't driveway. She runs good. I don't know how big that thing is. Just it's black there. Might be like a 6.5-er. Got them mud tires. Got a little mud on there. I was off roading last week.
Where'd you take it off road?
In my backyard. Going to hear it?
Yeah, let's hear it.
All right.
What you got?
Let's hear this bad boy. Woo! One baller! Hang on to your pants.